Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we're on the technology part right now. If you are using iPhones and iPads, there is a very important update for you. 2 0 days that are fixed with an update. So the 0 days are already exploited in the wild, which means if you would connect, for example, to malicious public Wi-Fi where somebody would want to try to attack. If you go on the web with your device and come through the malicious code that provokes this, you can be exploited. It's a very big security flaw. Two of them, 2 0 days that they were actually disclosed by a third-party company. And so the company says that it updated devices that are that have or are running iOS 17.4, iPadOS 17.4, iOS 16.76, and 0.76.6, and iPad 16.7.6. The impacted devices include iPhone XS and later, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 10, iPad 5th generation, iPad Pro 9.7 inch, and iPad Pro 12.9 inch first generation. And the iPad Pro 12.9 inch second generation and later, iPad Pro 10.5 inch, iPad Pro 11 inch first generation and later, iPad Air third generation and later, iPad 6th generation and later, and iPad Mini 5th generation or later. So there's no big details as to how they were discovered, and the impact, of course, the iOS kernel and rootkit that enables them to just put arbitrary code and gain full access to your devices. So very important to fix your devices. So get to your iPhones and iPads and update to make sure that you stay safe. These 2 0 days are already exploited by bad guys online. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.